Hello everyone, happy Vlogmas day 12. Holy shamoly, tomorrow's my brother's birthday and he's gonna be 50. Crazy, he's way older than I am. At least 2 years. Way older. So, my goodness. I was off for 2 days and it feels like a whole bunch of stuff happened. But it's all right. Work is good, and I am very thankful for my job. And I enjoy the people I work with very, very much. And I'm ready to get home, though. I don't know what I'm going to have for dinner tonight. I need to figure that out. And then I also want to knit. That's what I want to do every night. And I want to do my plan with me. I don't know if I'll do that tonight or tomorrow. And tomorrow we are having a holiday lunch with one of our vendors, so that'll be fun. And I think that I'm gonna let everyone leave after that to go work from home if they want to. So that'll be a very nice kind of surprise for them too. Sorry, I get in the car and I yawn like crazy. So I read all of my comments today and I replied to some, and I at least gave you a heart if I read it, so that you know that I indeed am reading all of them. I really appreciate all of them. And I'm almost to 10,000 subscribers. What? Woo, 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 woo. So that's pretty fun, and I'm working on a giveaway. So tell me what you think about the giveaway. Should I make it so... I have a couple questions. Should I make 2 giveaways, one for knitting people and one for paper crafting people? Or, I mean, and it'll be just people too. I mean, I'm not going to include everything that's just knitting or everything that's paper crafting, but those are the 2. Well, I guess I do planning too. Should I do 3 giveaways? One with planning stuff, one with... So let me know what you guys think, because I really am not sure what you guys like. Or should I just do one big combined giveaway gift? So yeah, let me know what you guys think about that. I guess the more the merrier, maybe. That's kind of what I'm thinking right now. Maybe I could do one that's... I don't know. Let me know what you think, because 10,000, that's a lot. And I want to thank you guys very much, because it is just remarkable to me. When I started this channel, I didn't know who would watch me, if anyone would. And I get such wonderful comments, and it's hard for me to say things like what I'm feeling out loud, just because it's, I don't know, I'm weird like that. But I really do appreciate all of you, and I'm gonna sound silly, but I can't believe that many people like me. And not that I'm unlikable, I just here I go, I'm weird. I just don't have a ton of friends. Like, I mean, in real life, I would rather have a few friends that are really good friends that, you know, I can call if I need a ride somewhere, than to have a million friends that I really don't keep in contact with or any of that. And I think I've done that out of choice. I'm really an introvert, which is probably surprising to some of you, but I don't mind like talking to my screen, and you guys can't really, you know, it feels like you guys are right there, but I know that you're not, so that helps me. So I don't know, maybe I'm an introvert that has a little bit of extrovert wannabe. I don't know what it is, but I'm weird, and it's just amazing to me that you guys like me. And it's so cool to find people, and I guess that's what I'm saying. I never would be here and do this any other way, or even meet you guys any other way, because, and I say meet, because this is not something that would be in my comfort zone, and I would not have the opportunity to understand that other people get me. It's amazing. I mean, it's so fantastic that you get me. I feel like, have you guys watched Steve Martin and The Jerk? I'm somebody. He was in the phone book, or yeah, I think that was right. I'm somebody. I made it. I feel like that, because it's like, I don't know. But it's very humbling and it makes my heart very happy to have so many friends via YouTube and to be able to communicate with you, even if it is kind of one-sided, whereas you guys know me way more than I know you. But I really do appreciate all of you. And if you guys see me out, or please don't feel awkward to come and say hello to me. I know that Lisa has done that, and I really appreciate that. But remember that I don't know you like you know me. So if I act kind of weird or offset, some of it's because I don't know you. But I understand how you feel, because I feel the same way about the people that I watch. Because I kind of feel like I know them, even though I really don't know them. I feel like I know them, and you kind of do know them. I mean, we share a lot of our lives with you, and I mean, I am pretty open and honest, and I'm very real. So it's a big deal. So anyway, all I'm trying to say is thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I love that you guys are so supportive and kind and sweet in your comments. It just makes me very happy. I see other people get a lot of comments, or, you know, because I don't get a ton, which is okay. And I also don't get a ton of negative comments. So I would much prefer to have, just like my friends, I would much prefer to have a few really nice comments than a ton of mixed comments and to have to read negative and all of that. And I know that I could pick out a ton of negative to say to myself. So I don't need other people to necessarily point that out, just like no one does, you know? We need to support each other and be there for each other. And if you don't have anything nice to say, then say nothing. Be kind or be quiet. So I understand that, and I appreciate it. And you guys mean the world to me, so thank you very much. Honestly, when I count my blessings, you guys are on that list absolutely every day. And I thank you. Okay, enough mushy stuff. I don't like the feels sometimes, but I do like coffee, and I'm ready to get home and fix myself a nice big cup of coffee. I've been drinking tea and water at work, which is fabulous too. I have that hot cinnamon tea that I know I shared one time, at least one time before, and I bought like a big 50 bag box of it for work, and oh, I enjoy it very much. And I had 2 cups of that today because it's so tasty. And then I had a cup of just hot water, which I know sounds really weird. I know that it sounds weird, but try it sometime. It's actually okay. I don't know, I'm not a huge water drinker like by itself. I like flavored water more than just plain water, but I like plain water, okay? But sometimes when it's cold, I like plain hot water. Might be goofy, but I had a friend in college who used to drink hot water every morning, and she kind of got me started on it. Thanks, Debbie. So Katie comes home tomorrow. Katie comes home tomorrow. Can't wait to kiss her face. She's my girl. And I think Alex is gonna be home on Friday, I think. And yeah, this is his first week for finals at college, so I really hope that he did well. And I know it's got to be scary. And what else? Friday we are going to Counter Prairie, which I think I told you guys a little bit about. Oh, and Katie got some bad news about her car. She took it into the shop because it was acting funny, and it needs new brakes and new electric something and new something. He said if it was him, he said it's not safe to drive with the brakes the way that they are, and he said that if it were him, he would scrap the car and use the money toward a newer one, or not a newer one, but a different one. And so the car that she has now is a 2002 Honda Civic, I think. I'm pretty sure that's right. It was my ex-husband's car, and then when she turned 16, he got a new car and gave her that car, which is kind of the same thing that I did with my son. So, but now her car is kaput, so I don't know what we're going to do for transportation while she's here. Her dad doesn't drive. He's legally blind now, so unfortunately he had a illness, I guess, in his eye, and he can't drive, so that's a real bummer. But he doesn't have a car anymore, obviously, for obvious reasons. Why would he? But his girlfriend does, so I mean, and his girlfriend will often, she works from home most every day from what I understand, and so she will sometimes let Katie use her car. So hopefully that can happen again, because Mama needs her car, and I'm really I'm hesitant about letting my kids drive my car, only because it's my only car, and you know, I need it, and if something happened to it, and I know that that's probably not a fair way to think about things, but I don't know. I'm not all for the, oh, my kid's home, here's my keys. I don't know, I'm just not into that. So, but her dad has been more okay with that. So, well, her dad and his girlfriend. So if that's the case, then I'll let them continue to be so generous. And that's probably not very nice, but like I said, I'm real. So I'm almost home, so I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm probably gonna just go ahead and download this and get this uploaded and on as soon as I can, just because I don't intend to do anything fun tonight, really. Well, fun to share, fun for me. I plan on getting some coffee and sitting down and knitting and maybe watching a Hallmark movie. I don't know when my husband will be home, but yeah, that sounds like a fabulous evening to me, but probably pretty boring to share. Maybe I'll do my plan with me too. Fingers crossed that I will. Otherwise, there's always tomorrow. I can do it then. But Katie should be home tomorrow, so I really should get it done today if I can. Yeah. Okay, enough of that. I'll talk to you later. Bye.